my channel. It's Toya here. To all my new subscribers, thanks so much for stopping by today. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for coming over. You don't know. Alright, so y'all know I freaking love Post Malone. You guys loved my last reaction video, and I thank you guys so much for all the comments that you left below that video. I had no idea you guys would love that video so much, but you did, and I'm happy. So today I'm going to be reacting to Post Malone featuring 21 Savage for the song called Rockstar. I saw the first couple seconds, it looked cool, so I'm going to say, alright, I'm going to react to that one. Don't know, thumbs up the video if you like it. Drop me a comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the video. As usual, the original video is going to be linked down below in the description bar. Don't forget to follow all my social media sites. Those will be down below in the description bar as well, especially my Snapchat. Go ahead and follow me on that to see whenever I'm about to make a new video, okay? So yeah, enough chatting. Let's watch the video. Okay, parental advisory.
Man, I feel just like a rock star.
Ooh.
My brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rasta.
Smoking like a rasta? I freaking love him.
When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta.
Hey. Damn.
Smoke, she asked me light a fire like a Marsan.
This is a lot of blood.
Act a fool on stage, probably leave my fucking show in a cop car. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band.
He's so freaking dope.
Now she acting out of bite, and they all brought a friend. Yeah, hey. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star.
I love seeing him in white, yo. Even in White Iverson, white is his color. Damn.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star.
Okay.
Drinking any bad bitches, jumping in the pool, and I ain't got on no bra. They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars? I ain't with the cake and how you kiss that. Your wifey say I'm looking like a whole snap. Green honey's in my safe, I got old racks. Smash out on a cop car, sweeter than a Pop-Tart. You know you are not hard, I didn't make the high chart. I used to chop hard, living like a rock star. I'm living like a rock star. I've been fucking hoes and popping pills.
Savage's verse was alright.
When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta.
Ooh. You know what's so funny? Is this the end? Okay, I still got a couple more seconds. Okay. Alright guys, this video is already at 3.2 million views, okay? And I'm gonna go through the comments on the original video right now. I can just feel the people them start talk, ooh, Illuminati, fuckery. Like, bruh. Most of the time when I'm watching music videos, my mind is more so on the song than the video itself. So it's kind of like, you know, like you pay attention to the video, but not as much as you're paying attention to the song. Like you pay attention to the song, especially if you know the song. Yeah, but I like the concept of the video. It was different. Now one of them said parental discretion is advised or whatever, because it was pretty gory, pretty bloody going on in there. But I love the video. I love the video and I love the song even more. This is actually my first time hearing the song. Please forgive me if I'm living under a rock. Yeah, Rockstar. Personally, 21 Savage did alright. Post Malone could have done the song without him. Yeah, he could definitely have done the song without him. It never really added nothing much to the song. But okay, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction though. I will leave the link to the original video down in the description bar so you guys can check it out if you have not yet seen the video. Give me a thumbs up. And if you guys want more reaction videos, comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.